All right, this is an example of using speech recognition and FileMaker Pro, and the way that we'll be doing this is by using WebDirect to deploy the solution. And then we'll be able to make use of the HTML5 Speech Recognition API supported by the Google Chrome browser. First, I wanted to take a look at the file just using regular FileMaker Pro Advanced so that I can show you some of the scripts that will be handling the commands that come in as part of the speech recognition. There's really only two of them. This first one, handle basic request, takes the command that comes through and it tries to match it against something that it knows how to do. And in this case, the handle basic request knows how to do things like find records and navigate through records, show list view or form view and stuff like that. So you can see it just goes through, and if it understands the command, it goes ahead and performs the action, and then it exits and returns control back to the user. In the case that it can't handle the command because it doesn't know what to do, it passes off control to the next script, which is called handle custom request, and that's where a developer could implement their own custom actions in response to the various commands coming in. In this case, I've just used handle custom request to implement some sort of advanced filtering, just a couple of actions right here. But that's pretty much it. Most of the work that somebody would do would be in one of these two scripts. There is a little bit more under the hood that I'm not showing you, but for the most part, this is really it. So let's close this up and take a look at what this looks like in WebDirect. And it'll be interesting to see what happens. I noticed when I showed this to Vince earlier today that it wasn't doing the voice recognition very well at all, in contrast to how well it had been working for me last night when I was throwing this together. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. Find Walker. Constrain Alice. Show all. Find Sam. Show all. Find Fred. Exclude Flintstone. Show all. Last record. Exclude Dino. Exclude Agamemnon. Oh, that's pretty good. Record 7. Show detail. List view. Previous record. Speech on.
Speech feedback enabled.
Previous record.
Record 5 of 8 records. Fred Flintstone.
Previous record.
Record 4 of 8 records. Joe Walker.
Record 1. Record 1.
Record 1 of 8 records. Fred Walker.
Previous record.
No previous record.
Set voice Samantha.
Set voice Samantha. Voice set.
Record 5.
Record 5 of 8 records. Fred Flintstone.
Hide others.
Record 1 of 1 record. Fred Flintstone.
Show detail. Show detail. List view. Show all.
Record 5 of 10 records. Fred Flintstone.
Set voice Bruce.
Set voice Bruce. Voice set.
Set voice Fred.
Set voice Fred. Voice set.
Next.
Record 6 of 10 records. Fred Freeloader.
All right, I think that pretty much shows you what there is to see. Thanks for taking a look.